Well, I don't know. Well, every time I try to plant a seed, he said kill it before it grows. He said kill it before it grows. And I swear I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. And I swear I shot the sheriff, but I swear it wasn't self-defense. I shot the sheriff, and they say it was a capital offense. Freedom came my way one day, and I started out of town. Well, all of a sudden I see sheriff